Want classic sneaker vibes without the hefty price tag? Meet the Adidas Women's VL Court 3.0 exclamation mark. These kicks are all about blending retro aesthetics with everyday functionality. Inspired by classics like the Samba and Gazelle, the VL Court 3.0 brings that vintage look straight to your feet, minus the premium price. Crafted with a synthetic leather upper and suede accents, these sneakers look sleek and are easy to maintain. Comfort-wise, you get a textile lining and a lightweight EVA insole, perfect for casual wear. But heads up, the vulcanized sole is pretty flat, so it might not be your go-to for long walks. Sizing? It tends to run a bit large, so consider sizing down for that perfect fit. And while the synthetic materials make them a breeze to clean, those suede accents might need some extra TLC. Priced just right and available in various colorways, the VL Court 3.0 is your new stylish everyday companion. Affordable style? Check. Everyday wear? Double check. Grab yours today and step up your sneaker game.